Please leave that.
I think we're good.
So dumb. Oh, here we go. This is why we have to have VAs run our business, guys, because, you know.
Are we live? Are we on? I think so. All right.
Welcome to day 13 of the Zero to Hero Challenge. Cody Barton is going to tell us what happened on day 13.
We haven't moved for 13 days in these chairs.
Or changed our clothes.
We've been wearing the same clothes. So we paid our photographer for getting those amazing pictures of the first deal that we got. What we also did was some call listening. We listened to more recordings of the calls from the VAs that day. Shocking. Same thing, right? Followed up with some leads. It sounded like Juanita, one of the leads. That was that the second contract?
No, she's the fourth contract.
Oh, so there's a follow-up process here.
Juanita was talked to on this day, or she was a lead generator on this day, and then we didn't sign the contract for a little bit of time after that.
So after the challenge was over,
This is why season 2 is so important, guys. You need to understand how cool and amazing season 2 is going to be. Go ahead.
All right. We sent 1,000 text messages. We had another VA huddle. And then we went through the leads in FreedomSoft and followed up with leads.
Right.
Pretty standard, mundane, boring day in the business world.
Yep.
Of the same things.
Anything to add to that?
No, we're just building up. We're doing the same stuff over and over. How you do anything is
how you do everything.
So we show up every day, level 10, and we just keep pushing.
Speak softly and carry a big stick.
Plus Ultra.
Plus
Guys, if you haven't signed up already for zerotoherorei.com, do that down below. It will prompt you to a page and get you guys access to these recordings. It is 15 days of live action and 3 days of Q&A. Amazing live audience. Made it lively during the process. How cool is that to have a live audience?
It was amazing. And I think we're doing the same stuff. Right, we're building on the momentum that we've built in the first couple of weeks, but don't discount it because we do very important things every day. It's important the things that we do, the systems that we follow is done. So don't just think like, oh, they did the same thing, I'm going to skip over it. No, go watch the recording, see exactly how we do. And maybe you have that light bulb moment. It's like, oh my gosh, I really liked how we did that, or I liked how the VA did this. Do not skip over this. Everything is need to know information.
If you brush your teeth twice a day, why would you not run your business with the same exact strategy every single day? Why wouldn't you pause and say, let's do a call calibration? Why wouldn't you go forward and do your team huddle? Why wouldn't you listen to calls? Why wouldn't you do those things? Why do investors, let me ask this question. This is a true curiosity. Why do you think people get a couple of deals and they get into some really bad habits of not doing these same things every single day?
I think people get comfortable. I mean, I see it when new investors get into the business, they make a little bit of money. It makes them feel a little bit comfortable. And then that's how they get into the wholesale hamster wheel. They get some money.
It's the thermostat.
The thermostat.
Yep.
What's the thermostat? People need to know. You brought it up.
Right. Cody would be the best.
It's like everyone has a financial thermostat. And so, like, imagine this thermostat. Like, you have a thermostat in your house, right? Like, if in Arizona it's 120 degrees out, you have your thermostat set at 70 degrees. Naturally, your house is going to be 70 degrees from the thermostat being set there. But what happens if you open up all the doors, you open up all the windows, and it's 120 degrees out? Hot air starts coming in, hot air starts coming in. It's similar to like lottery winners. They win the lottery. They were used to making 40 grand a year. They get millions within a couple of years. They got all that hot air in, but then you turn off the money continuing to come in. You close all of those, doors, those windows in a house. And now the thermostat is naturally going to take it from a higher temperature back down to where it was set. And everyone has a financial thermostat. So that financial thermostat could be 40 grand a year. It could be having $20,000 in the bank, $5,000.
Have you ever realized like some people make more money, but what happens when they make more money? They spend more money. Right? So it goes to the financial thermostat and it shows up in all areas, right? So where else is it showing up in your life? A financial thermostat also shows up in how you take care of yourself. The identity, like what is my identity? Am I now someone who is wealthy? Am I now someone who is, at the next level in my life? I'm ready to turn the page. Or is my identity still that $40,000 a year person? And there's nothing wrong with being that person. But if you're trying to level up and you want to be better, your identity needs to change along the way with your thermostat. It needs to elevate.
100%.
So that was day what?
13?
13.
Day 13. Okay, so
Or is that 14?
13.
13.
13.
So did we get a second contract on this day, or did we send out a second contract on day 13?
Day 13, we sent out the contract. It was some nuances within this conversation. I think it would be really cool when you guys go back and watch the recording for this one. You'll see why we sent it out and the process it took to get this particular deal signed. So I will leave that to the recording.
These are problems that you won't run into unless you take action, guys. So go to zerotoherorei.com, take action, get access to the recordings. We'll see you on video 14.